Alright, so this Folia tutorial is going out to my student in Geneva, Switzerland. And I knew him from back here in Alaska. So it's fun to get to work together again. So we're going to start from the Andante section and then move into the Allegro and do some of those runs. Talking about the double stops first of La Folia. Always refer to your Suzuki CDs. That's going to be the best quality recording you can get. This is just kind of the how to get it done. Alright. Shift to third. Back. You just replace that finger essentially. Shift up. So the whole hand shape came up. Now we're going to do a whole step to the second finger and a half step to the fourth finger. And then all half steps. Split the fingers apart. So that last little bit. So, on to the next page, then, we have and now B natural. Watch out for that one. C sharp. Starting from third finger, C natural, B natural. Okay. We stop right there because we've got a whole nother part to take a look at in the Adagio, but I can kind of keep going a little bit. So the Adagio starts off with this D played in second position, third finger here. Percussive section kind of makes it interesting. Replace the third finger with second. 4. And there's a little bit different fingerings, remember, than maybe what you have in your part currently. But you can use that, let's see here, right from here. First. Second finger. Replace the second with the first. Slide back. Second finger, third finger, second finger. Now all half steps. first finger with second finger.